what was that dog made to do? Every dog has a purpose, and if that purpose is what's going to give them their natural instincts and what they like to do. If that's something that conflicts with your lifestyle or the things you're looking for in the dog, that dog is not a good fit. Number two, what is the energy level of this dog? If that energy level conflicts with your energy level, you're going to have a problem with the dog. So if you're a low energy, like to sit on the couch type of person, there are dogs that will match that. If you're a runner every day, that's all you want to do, and you get a dog that doesn't want to run with you, they're not going to be a happy dog. Number three is understanding the time that you have to offer the dog. If you can't offer the dog a lot of stimulation and you get a shepherd or a Malinois or a high energy, high drive dog that needs a lot of mental stimulation, it's not really going to go well. And lastly, if you're a first time owner or kind of a beginner, getting a puppy isn't always the best option. Puppies take a lot of time and attention, and they can definitely be messed up a lot easier than a rescue that's, say, like 2 or 3 years old, that's kind of set in their ways. If you don't know what you're doing, you can definitely mess up a puppy pretty easily. So I would kind of keep all these things in mind.